Hello YouTube, this is ETRU, and today's video is going to be an E as an experiment. You might notice that the background is different than usual because this is not my desk. It's a unused room in my father's company, and it's a lot larger, so the voice bounces off the walls and it's ringing a bit, but you won't notice anyway. So today's video, as I have said earlier, is melting lead to make the anode used in the copper sulfide pentahydrate electrolysis experiment. And so the strange device you see here is an aluminum can. Wait, it's not focusing. Yes, aluminum can. And inside is the metal lead that we are going to be melting today. So I'm going to balance it on the very tip of here. I am very good at making makeshift equipment. So, for example, I don't have a pair of tongs right now, so I did a pair of clips to... I hope it won't be too hot. So I'm going to lift it up like this and just pour it in this ingot mold. So this narrow ingot will be the anode for the copper sulfide electrolysis experiment. And so we have a lighter here. So wait a moment, let me adjust it a bit. So if it's too hot, then I'll have to think of something else. Yes, improvisation is excellent. So this might be a little tipsy. And so alcohol lamp is on, and lighter, boom, big flame here, and now I'm going to melt it. So it's going to take a while. You can't see the flame very well, but you might see it a bit. I'm going to move my chair so I can see it properly from the inside. And already some kind of gas, not too hot. Oh, this popping noise may be some of the water that's been left off. Yes, I may have not removed the water properly. This is a very dangerous experiment. Don't try it at home. I'm only doing this because I'm psychotic enough to do this. So the lead I am using right now is actually lead solder, the kind you use in soldering. But this is not pure lead. The alloy is 40% lead and 60% tin. So the melting point of this metal is 180 degrees, which is very low for metal. And the igniting point of wood, as you can see, the ingot mold is pure wood, is 220 degrees. I'm of course talking in Celsius terms, so 40 degrees difference, and so I think the wood will hold. It's only 190 degrees. It's not melting yet, so I think I'm going to fast forward at this point. So I'm back, and the metal is almost completely melted. I cannot show you at this camera angle, so I'll just take the camera off the tripod for a bit. Wait a minute. Here we go. And see yes, you can see it's almost completely melted. Wait a minute. Oh, no, it's too dangerous. This metal is 180 degrees, but you see it's completely melted. Yes, bubbling a bit. Yep, it's completely melted. There's a bit of lead and tin oxide at the top, but otherwise it's pure metal. Okay, I readjust the camera, and I think it's completely melted. So we'll try pouring it into the ingot. This is dangerous. I haven't got proper tongs, so I have to use this stapler as a tong. So this is extremely dangerous. My hands are shaking so bad. Pour it out, come on. Yeah. So I think I've successfully done it. Yes. Quite smooth, and there's I spilled a bit, but it's no problem. It's just pure lead. And I hope it didn't bubble at the bottom, or it would be a disaster. So I'll turn off the alcohol lamp. So here's the cap. So 1, 2, good. And this is extremely hot. So this is the ingot, and this is some leftover metal. And this is extremely hot. Oh, whoa, that was hot. I'm glad I got gloves. So yes, I think we've cast the ingot nicely enough. And I'll zoom up a bit. As you can see, the ingot is pockmarked. That's because of the tin and lead oxide. I've put together the ingot with glue, super glue, so I'm afraid the glue would have melted because of the hot metal, but I'm not sure. I think this leftover metal should go. Oh look, it's very, very... Wait, it's not focusing. It's shiny. It looks polished almost. So I think we're ready to demolish it. Yes, so this is almost a complete success. So this is the ingot that is cast. This is hot. You can see at the bottom is a bit burned because of the glue, but I'll just sand it down using this kind of sandpaper. So I'll just sand it down nicely and come back to you when the ingot is completely polished and finished. So this will be the anode for my copper sulfite electrolysis experiment. So I'll see you again later. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the lead and tin ingot that has been cast. A lot of holes on the bottom because it was boiling, but yeah, quite nice, smooth. So this will be the anode that will be used in the copper sulfite electrolysis experiment. Okay, so for the lead ingot experiment is successful. So I'll see you on my next video.